Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. I'm your host. My name is Gary. This podcast is for anyone who wants to inquire about the vegan lifestyle. If you like this podcast, why not buy me a cup of coffee? The address will be in the show notes. Episode 33, Batch Cooking. Batch cooking involves cooking substantial amount of food in one session and dividing it into portions for consumption across multiple meals. Out of curiosity, I decided to explore batch cooking through the lens of formalized learning theories. This discussion resonates with principles and theories, especially with culinary education and home economics. Let's explore how batch cooking can be understood within the framework of learning theories.
Experiential learning. Batch cooking involves hands-on experience by its very nature. Individuals engage in hands-on cooking activities, experimenting with ingredients, flavors, and cooking techniques. Through repeated practice and experimentation, individuals refine their culinary skills and develop a deeper understanding of food preparation. Constructivism. Batch cooking encourages learners to construct their knowledge and understanding of cooking principles. As individuals plan and execute batch cooking sessions, they draw upon their prior knowledge of recipes, cooking techniques, and ingredient combinations to create nutritious and flavorful meals. Through reflection on their cooking experiences, individuals refine their understanding of effective meal planning, food storage, and time management. The behavioral perspective, batch cooking can reinforce desirable cooking behaviors through repetition and reinforcement. By consistently engaging in batch cooking practices, individuals reinforce habits such as meal planning, portion control, and waste reduction. Positive outcomes, such as saving time and money, reinforce continued batch cooking behavior. Social learning theory. Batch cooking often occurs within a social context, where individuals learn from observing and cooperative with others. Family members, friends, or online communities may share batch cooking tips, recipes, and strategies, facilitating learning through observation and modeling. Moreover, people might participate in cooperative batch cooking sessions, join forces to cook meals, exchange culinary skills, and share cooking tips. Cognitive load theory. Batch cooking can help reduce the cognitive load associated with daily meal preparation tasks. By prepping and cooking meals in bulk, individuals can streamline the cooking process, freeing up mental resources for other activities. Additionally, by planning meals, individuals can avoid decision fatigue associated with daily meal planning and make more efficient use of their time and energy. Problem-based learning. Batch cooking presents learners with real-world cooking challenges that require problem-solving skills. Individuals must consider factors such as dietary preferences, nutritional requirements, budget constraints, and time limitations when planning batch cooking sessions. By actively engaging in problem-solving activities, individuals develop critical thinking skills and become more adept at overcoming cooking-related challenges.
Overall, while batch cooking may not be explicitly framed with a traditional learning theory framework, it encompasses principles from various theories of learning, highlighting the educational value of inherent in culinary activities and meal preparation practices. Here are some reputable sources that support batch cooking.
Phone applications. A popular daily application that can be used for vegan batch cooking is Mailime. Mailime offers personalized meal plans tailored to dietary preferences, including vegan options, and provides recipes with detailed instructions for batch cooking. This app can help streamline the meal planning and preparation process for those following a vegan diet.
Academic journals.
The impact of a batch cooking intervention. Batch cooking can be healthier, more economical, and reduce food waste by Bernadette Moore, published in the Journal of Family Practice. This article discusses the benefits of batch cooking in terms of health, economics, and reducing food waste. Appetite. Appetite covers research on human eating behavior, including topics such as meal preparation practices, cooking habits, and factors influencing food choice. Nutrition Journal. The Nutrition Journal publishes research on various aspects of nutrition, including dietary interventions, meal planning, and cooking methods. You may find studies examining the effects of batch cooking on dietary intake or health outcomes. Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. This journal features research on dietetics, nutrition, and food science. Articles may include studies on meal planning, culinary interventions, and cooking skills training. Public Health Nutrition. Public Health Nutrition publishes research on public health nutrition policies, interventions, and programs. Articles may address topics such as home cooking practices, meal preparation behaviors, and their implications for health. Health Education and Behavior. This journal focuses on research in health education, health promotion, and behavior change. You may find articles discussing cooking interventions aimed at improving dietary behaviors and health outcomes. Journal of Food Science Education. While more focused on food science education, this journal may contain articles related to culinary skills training, cooking interventions, and meal preparation methods.
Books.
The Batch Cookbook, Recipes to Freeze and Eat Later, by Fiona Hamilton. This book provides a variety of batch cooking recipes along with tips and techniques for successful batch cooking. The Make Ahead Cook, 8 Smart Strategies for Dinner Tonight, by America's Test Kitchen. This book offers practical advice and recipes for batch cooking and make-ahead meals.
Websites. Here are the top 5 websites.
BBC Good Food. This website features numerous batch cooking recipes, meal prep guides, and tips for efficient meal planning. Eating Well offers a collection of batch cooking recipes that focus on healthy and nutritious meals. How to Start Batch Cooking with 20 Vegan Batch Cooking Recipes by Stephanie Dreyer, September 17, 2033. Vegan Batch Cooking Recipes by Kate Ford. The Stingy Vegan, 50-plus vegan freezer meals. Government Health Organizations. Healthy Batch Cooking 101 by Academy of Culinary Nutrition, January 30th, 2024.
By referencing these reputable sources, you can strengthen your argument on the benefits and effectiveness of batch cooking in promoting healthy eating, saving time and money, and reducing food waste.
Journal of Nutrition Education and Behavior. This journal publishes research related to nutrition education and behavior change. Articles may discuss cooking interventions, meal planning strategies, and their impact on dietary behaviors. PubMed, Batch Cooking, Google Scholar, Search Engine.
When searching for articles on batch cooking or related topics, it's advisable to utilize keywords such as batch cooking, meal preparation, cooking interventions, home cooking, and meal planning as search parameters. These terms will help identify pertinent studies within academic journals. Come listen to our next episode, 34, Explore Plant-Based Vegan Snacks. Until next time, happy reading.
Disclaimer: the Healthy Vegan Living podcast strives for accuracy, but acknowledges the evolving nature of medicine. Views are evidence-based, but individual practices may vary. Statements made are not guaranteed accurate. Feedback is welcome. The podcast is non-monetized, with no affiliations to medical companies. Listeners agree not to use medical advice from the podcast for treatment. Consult a physician for medical concerns. This disclaimer extends to all contributors. Guests and contributors are not liable for podcast usage.